Hi there, I'm Joel from Front-End Freelancer, and today for tutorial 1, we'll be learning about how to set up Webflow, create an account, and publish our first website. First, go to webflow.com and make an account. Once you have done so, you'll be prompted to make a new project. If you are not, go to your dashboard and click New Project. We will then import a blank site, select blank site, and title your website whatever you would like. I'm going to do intro_tutorial. Once Webflow has finished loading, we will see the editor page. This is where we create our entire website. First, go to the left side and go to the navigator, and notice how there's only one object on the site so far, the body object. This is where we put all the contents of our page, including the elements. To add a new element, go to the plus icon, and we're going to add in a container. So drag and drop the container, and then we're going to go to the plus icon again, and we're going to add a heading and a paragraph. So drop the heading into the container, and under that we'll go to the plus icon again and we'll add in a paragraph. Drop this under the heading and in the container as well. Notice how it puts lorem ipsum text. This is very helpful for creating prototype and designing websites. Now, to center align our text, we will select the container, and we know it's selected right here. It'll say container on the top right of the page. We will then go to typography and select the center align icon. As you see, the text is now centered, and now to center the text and the container in the middle of the page, we will make sure the container is still selected. As we can see, it's still selected here on the top right. We will select the top padding spacing bar, and we will pull it down until it is roughly in the middle of the page, and there we are. Next, let's edit our heading. Let's give it a custom heading of I love web design. Now let's also make a custom paragraph. Edit the paragraph by double clicking and type whatever you like. Now our site is complete. To publish our site, we'll go to the top right and click Publish to selected domains. Now our site has been published successfully. To view our site, we will go to this little link, and this link will load our website. Here it is. To visit our website, we can go to this subdomain up here. Whatever it says for you, just copy it and paste it into any browser. Your site is now live and interactive. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Front-End Freelancer. Thank you so much.